Hello everyone, you are welcome. So we are giving this exponential problem. We are giving this exponential problem. So 2 to the power of y plus 1 plus 2 to the power of y equals 12. So what is the value of y? So now from here, what we are going to do is that from this first term here, so I'm going to rewrite the first term for example by this, from the indices when you have a to the power of b plus c. So this will be a to the power of b multiplying a to the power of c. So that's what we are going to do. So for the first one, we're going to have 2 to the power of y plus 1. Okay. So I'm going to write it like this. I'm going to write it like 2 to the power of 2 to the power of y multiply by 2 to the power of 1, then plus 2 to the power of y, then equals what? Equals 12. Alright, so from there, so the next thing we're going to do is that you can see that we have 2 to the power of y here, 2 to the power of y here. So what you are going to do is that I'm going to let it be a particular letter. All right, so let x be 2 to the power of y, and from here the x cannot be what? The x cannot be 0 here. X cannot be 0 or negative. X cannot be what? Negative. X cannot be a negative value here. Okay, so now we're going to have, that is anywhere you see 2 to the power of y, so we are going to replace it by x. So now from there we're going to be having x times 2. We're going to have 2x plus what? Plus x plus x. Okay, then equals what? Equals 12. So now from here we have 3x plus x. So what are you going to have? 3x plus x will give us, 2x plus x, we got to have 3x, then equals 12. Alright, so from there, so we divide both sides by 3. If you divide both sides by 3, so you see that this, we cancel this. So we're going to have x to be equals 12 divided by 3, we're going to have what? We're going to have 4. So now don't forget that the x that we have here, we introduce the x. Okay, so therefore we are going to recall that recall that x is equals to 2 to the power of y. So therefore we're going to have 2 to the power of y will be equals to what? Will be equals to 4. All right, so from there the next thing we're going to do, so we have 2 to the power of y equals, so I'm going to write 4 as 4 can be written as 4 times 4. Sorry, 4 can be 2 times 2. Okay, 4 can be 2 times 2, the same thing as 2 to the power of 2. So therefore 4 will be 2 to the power of 2 here. So since we are having the same basis, so we are going to equate the exponents. So we have y to be 2. So we have y equals 2 to be the solution to this problem. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, let's check whether we are right. Check. So from the question we have above, we have the question to be 2 to the power of y plus 1 plus 2y to the power of y. That is 2 to the power of y plus 1 plus 2 to the power of y. Everything must be 12. So now from there now, so when we have our y, when y equals 2, all right, so we're going to have what? We're going to have 2 into 2 plus 1, then plus 2 into 2. Okay, then will this give us 12? All right, so now moving on, so 2 to the power of 2, we have 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2. So will this give us 12? Now 2 to the power of 3 is 8 plus 2 to the power of 2 is what? Is 4. Will this give us 12? Now lastly, we know that 8 plus 4 will give us what? Give us 12. So which is equals to 12. So for the fact that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, so that show that we have what we have the value y equals 2 to be the valid solution to the problem. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.